To replace a through-frame head assembly on the idle arm, you must first extend the room approximately 12 inches. Once extended, support the room appropriately. With the room supported, you can now begin removing the assembly by removing the 2 bolts securing the head assembly to the inner arm. You will need a 3/4 inch socket and wrench to do this. If space permits, you may use a drill. Next, you will need to remove the 2 horizontal adjustment bolts securing the head assembly to the room bar. This will again require a 3/4 inch socket. If space permits, you may also use a drill here. Once the bolts have been removed, you can remove the head assembly from the inner arm. Note, you may need to raise the room slightly to allow space for the head assembly to move. Use caution while doing so. Place the new head assembly on the inner arm in approximately the same location as the old one. Insert your 2 bolts into the inner arm and ensure that both the idle and drive heads are the same distance from the frame. Then begin tightening down the 2 bolts to hold that position. With the head assembly secured to the inner arm, we can now replace our adjustment bolts between the head assembly and room bar. Ensure that your horizontal and vertical adjustments are correct, and then tighten these bolts down. Remove your support and test the room for proper operation, and make any adjustments as needed.